scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Game theory can be tricky, but we will master this jewelry payoff matrix together right now. Let's solve these 5 parts incredibly fast. Watch this! First, if Bitterly chooses silver, Tony compares $10 from unique jewelry to 15 from typical. Since 15 is higher, unique is not the best choice. Typical jewelry wins this round. Next, Bitterly has no dominant strategy because gold is better if Tony goes unique, but silver is better if Tony goes typical. We find Nash equilibria at unique gold and typical silver combinations. For typical to dominate, Tony needs over 15 against gold and silver. Adding $6 makes both typical payoffs the highest. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid the rush. Always trust given values and check your steps.